the first products you're going to need is a sheet of grease-proof paper, a blank lolly stick, the sticks labelled A and B, as well as the pots A and B. We're going to make a 1-inch silicone wound on your hand, making sure to avoid the joint of where your wrist meets your hand. Okay, so the material silicone gel comes in 2 parts. You mix them in equal quantities, which starts a curing process, which hardens them and turns them into a flexible rubber. If you think of a silicone baking tray, that's the sort of texture it will turn into. We want to keep the sticks labelled A and B with the right pots to stop cross-contamination. The amount you have in your pots is enough to make 2 wounds. So we don't want to contaminate the pot to start the curing process with the whole lot and then you'll miss making a second wound. So, as we said, we take the pot A with stick A. You want to take about half of your mixture you have in your pots and place it on the grease-proof paper. Maybe a little bit more for me. Always put the lids back on the correct pot with the correct stick and put it out of the way. Then we're going to take B. We're going to take roughly the same amount. Do this by eye. You just want roughly the same amount. Again, lid on, same stick, out of the way. Now this mixture they basically look the same, very slightly different. So you want to make sure you put them a little bit apart on your greaseproof paper, just to give you time to get everything ready before you start mixing. Because once you start mixing, there's a cure time of around 8 to 10 minutes. And if it's, depending on the temperature and the conditions in the room, it could take a bit quicker than that. So always have them separated out on the greaseproof paper, ready for the next step.